Hey, morning everyone. Improvised video real quick before I go to the doctor. Got an appointment, 6 a.m. man. Real quick, let's talk about Microsoft, man. All right. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I don't own Microsoft, but if I'm going to say something here, I would go to this thing over here. We should expect Microsoft to go to look at the downtrend line, at least 430 something, 432 or so. Eventually, the 50-day cross the 200-day, looking bullish. Not much to say, man. This is a very widely owned stock. So if you want to buy this thing at what is it now? This is 427. I would try to buy it like at this former support here. I mean resistance. For 423, 422, if that's the case, then obviously try and put it a stop at like 415, and then look for probably 10 bucks, 10 to 15 bucks profit. This area over here about 433, 435. So if you want to buy for the long term, so be it. The other stock I'm watching is CRWV. I got a sort of a swing trade in this one. You can see I bought at was the day before yesterday, or yesterday and the day before yesterday, right? Yeah. I started it at 43.48, 43.49. Then I saw the spike here early morning yesterday, and went ahead and bought 20 more. I have 80 shares now with a stop at 450. Ideally, we get a push into these highs over here, 46 or so. If you look at the daily, I have a small chart here for the daily. See what's the resistance at 46.51. If we do a breakout, then I'll be looking to, ideally 50 on the upside. You can see that fib over there, over here. It's around 161, 50, 85. So we can have a magnet, a 50 magnet, hopefully. And then I got the SGN as a, started buying it yesterday. This is a crappy small cap, micro cap. So I'm trying to get a few hundred, couple $100. So you can see I started buying it at was it 30, 62, 3, 61, and then on this push I sold some. I'm still holding 1,000 shares. Right now, I made the mistake of buying this thing with Schwab. There's no 4 a.m. trading, so I missed this. I should have bought it with the interactive brokers, but it is what it is. Probably we get a push again, 7 a.m. Retail guys, and I'll be trying to get the heck out of here between 64, 67, maybe stay with the core until 72 or so. I really don't expect it to go to the 80 or 78 something, but who knows. And then Compass, I've been holding this thing forever. Trump is pushing this marijuana and psilocybin, mushrooms and marijuana market or project, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, if we look at some of the recent news for Compass, you have so Compass establishes strategic collaboration with Healthport to inform the potential delivery of COMP360 synthesized psilocybin treatment in underserved communities. Of course, this company doesn't make money. They're still, you know, doing trials. It's just, you know, it's a risky bet, but if they finally get it done, this thing could see 10, 12, 15 bucks easily. Or if they don't get it done, it could go to $1, or even lower. So it is what it is. And then the last one is Roblox. Doing great. One of the top performance in portfolio. Now you can see even pre-market is almost hitting 70 bucks. So nice, nice, nice. I'll just go ahead and look at the daily over here for Roblox, and fantastic. Yeah, look at this. Totally bullish with the 50-day over the 200-day. You know, it's yesterday. This candle is very, very bullish. Nice recovery. So yeah, and man, I think this thing is going for 52-week highs pretty soon. 76, 80s for me. My average is, I think, around what is it? Is it oh shit. Let me put this back. Average is around 40, 43 bucks here. So in a very comfortable place, 100 bucks, man. That's what I'm looking for eventually. Then again, if you want to trade this thing, put a stop at 63 or so, write it up. Not a financial advisor. You do what you want to do. You do your own investigations, diligence, whatever you want to call it. Do your stuff. I'm not an expert, so I'll see you. I'll put in some comments in the chat later on. So take care, guys. You have a good day. See ya.